Yeah, so this concept changed my life forever. And I'm about to share it with you because I really think that more people should know about this, should hear about this, and they can apply it for themselves. So before I even get into this, right, let me give you some background. Before I tell you the name of it, let me give you some background. This is the story I heard that made me go, whoa, I love that. And I apply this in all my relationships, all my friendships. Anytime I have contact with people that I care about deeply, this is what I apply. All right. So the concept is, oof, hold on, I'm losing stuff now. Ah, the concept is simple. There was an American psychologist who was talking to a group of African children. If y'all know the story, you know exactly where this is going, right? And he told them, "Hey, children, I have a fruit basket at the end of this field, and you guys are all gonna race in a line. You're gonna start over here at this line, and you're gonna race when I say go. And the first person to get to the end of this field and get to the basket gets all the fruit." They were like, "Oh, okay, cool." He said, "Do you understand what I'm saying to you?" They said, "Yes." It was okay. Ready, set, go. What do you think they did? And it's not what he thought they would do. They did not get up and start running. They actually held hands and they skipped together all the way to the end of this field. And they sat around in a circle around the basket of fruit and they passed each other the fruit. And they ate it, juices flowing everywhere, laughter spreading in the air, and they enjoyed it. They embraced it. They loved it. This man ran up to them, goes, "Wait a minute, I don't think you guys understood the point of this test. It's supposed to be the first person who gets to the end gets all the fruit, everything. Not supposed to be walking and sharing with each other." And then one child spoke out. He says, "Ubuntu." He says, "Uwa." He said, "Ubuntu." He goes, "I don't know what that means." He scratches the back of his head. He goes, what is that?" And the child says, "Ubuntu, how can I eat if my brother is hungry? How can I eat when my brother is hungry?" And that changed everything for me. From that day forward, I literally looked at everyone because I'm a giver, right? And I'm a sharer. Like if I got food and you're hungry, I'm splitting it right down the middle, 50-50. Not everyone's like that. Some people that I've noticed, when you ask for food and they share with you, they give you 20% of what they got, they give you 10% of what they got, maybe even less than that, right? But for me, I'm a half. I love you, I care about you, you're getting half of what I got because I don't want you to go without. And when I heard this, I immediately only surrounded myself around people that did the same thing. Why? Because if you're calling me your brother and you don't agree with this mindset, this philosophy, this concept, this this system of living, then I don't need you around me. Because the truth of the matter is, how you doing, bro? That the truth of the matter is this: if I'm hungry and you have food, I don't expect you to share with me. But if you care about me and you don't share with me, I'm gonna look at you a little different. Like, what the fuck? You don't care about me the way you say you do. And if I'm hungry, if I got food and you're hungry, immediately my heart, it goes into giving mode. Immediately. So if your heart's not the same way, it's not postured in the same way, I can't even align myself with you. I can't. I just can't. And I think that if more people practice this in their communities, in their circles, in their friendships, in their relationships, you will see a major shift in how we treat each other, how we care for each other, and how people actually behave and interact on a social level, not just in their communities, but on a global level. Imagine how the world would change if we all looked at each other like brothers and sisters, and we made sure that the other person next to us wasn't going through what they were going through because we wanted to make sure that I don't go through that, you don't go through that. You don't go through that, I don't go through it. We're in this together as one. We're not separate of each other. We're one people. If more people practice this, the world would be completely different. What are your thoughts on this? What is a phrase or a quote or a saying that changed your life forever? For me, it was Ubuntu. And I share this story all the time. At least 2, 3 times a year I share with somebody because it's that impactful in my life. And I learned this over a decade ago. So what's something that has changed your life, transformed the way you speak, the way you behave, the way you talk, how you talk to people, what you say, how you care for them? What is that for you? Put that in the comments down below. Share that with me. or tag me in a video so I can talk about it with the next person. As always, stay blessed, stay beautiful.